Tonight, we are celebrating two of the largest ports in the world of gastronomy. We are also celebrating very talented chefs on their teams.
I hope you all have an amazing evening. I'm looking very much forward to this.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first course, poached gelato oyster number 3, shellfish tartar, seawater jelly, ginger cream, and lemon confit from Menton. For the second course, it is beautifully created by Chef Masa Takayama. Let's indulge in Masa Toro Caviar. The third course, created by Chef Kelvin Al Young. It is fish maw in rabbit fish soup with crab meat roll. We've come to the fourth course. Let's immerse in Chef Alain's cook pot of blue lobster, potatoes, and black truffle. We've come to the fifth course. This steamed sea bass fillet in fermented bean sauce. We've come to the last main course of this evening. Let's enjoy this charcoal grilled Kagoshima beef ribeye and charred cabbage, black truffle, and jus corsé. Please enjoy the final course, prepared by Pierre Hermé.
In 2019 is first and foremost a selection of starred restaurants that is constantly growing.
So we are now going to announce the 2 Michelin-starred restaurants listed in this edition of the Michelin Guide, Hong Kong and Macau. So we are now going to announce the 3 Michelin-starred restaurants